Hello guys, this is Salman sir here and through Spring Chemistry channel I am going to explain the chemistry paper 1 of ISC 2020. Now ISC question paper have maximum 70 marks, 30 marks for the practical examination. Time allowed 3 hours, 15 minutes will be the extra reading time will be given to you. That time you are going to utilize to read the question carefully twice at least, and what are the answer possible that you can keep in your mind, but during these 15 minutes you are not allowed to write anything on the copy. So now in question number 1, if you are starting from question number 1, here total 18 questions are given, and 18 question number 1 will have 20 marks. 4 subparts are given. Question number 2 to 8 carry 2 marks. So now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 questions they are going to have 2 marks. And some internal choices are given. In any 2 questions there will be internal choices. From question number 9 to 15 again 7 questions, 3 marks each. Again 2 questions will have internal choices. Question number 16, 17 and 18 carry 5 marks. In all 3 questions there will be internal choices from the same chapter. So the internal choices will be from the same chapter, and all working including rough work should be done on the same sheet as the adjacent to the rest of the answer. So now rough work, if it is required, you will write near the question, not at the end of the copy. Near the question you will write and write the rough work. Now when solving the numerical problem, essential working, so now gas constant, the values of gas constants are given. Here 1, 2, 3 values of gas constants are given. You have to use any one. Some convergence are given. 1 atm is equal to 1 dm cube, 1 atm is equal to this joule, and 1 Faraday is equal to this coulomb. Avogadro number. So these are the fixed terms are given in the question paper. Now in question number 1, that is the very important and very interesting question of this question paper of ISC 2020. Now you will see that question number 1 have 4 subpart. So A part that have a fill in the blank, there are 4 fill in the blanks are given, and options are given. You have to choose the correct option. In correct sequence you will fill. First blank, first answer, second blank, second answer. Here you are not going to copy the questions. Now B part, there is a multiple choice. In each question 4 options are given. You have to choose any one option and write on the question paper. Here no need to write the question on the copy. You will write only the correct option. Suppose in first case third option is correct, so you will write first 3 only. No need to write the full answer to save the time. Match the following. This is the third subpart of question number 1. 4 marks, 1 marks for each sub matching. 4 left hand side, first, second, third, 4 points are given. A, B, C, D, 4 parts are given. So you will match it. For example, silicon, phosphorus matching with now N-type semiconductor. This is the question from solid state. So you will write 1 and match with C only. No need to write the full answer to save the time. Now the D part is very interesting. Here many students are losing marks because they are not writing the thing properly. They are not reusing the keywords. So here 2 marks for each subparts, and it is divided into 1 plus 1. For example, what is the common name of polymer obtained by the polymerization of caprolactam? The answer will be nylon 6,6 or Parlon. So you will write nylon 6 only. No need to write any explanation of that. Is it additional polymer or condensation? So you will write only condensation. So these are the 2 keywords. 1 keywords you will get 1 marks. Similarly, the second question, third question, fourth question, you will write only the keywords here, and you will get full 20 marks in question number 1 if you write all the thing correctly. Question number 2 having 2 options, 2 marks. Question number 3 belongs to the where? This is the P block. From P block, second question belongs to the solid state, 2 marks. Fourth question belongs to the, it is what? Chemical equation, reaction glucose, means it is from biomolecules, 2 marks. How antiseptic and disinfectant substance can be antiseptic, disinfectant here. Now you can write the answer. This question belongs to the chemistry in everyday life. That is student not taking very seriously this chapter, and here they are losing marks. This is very important question. Now here Question number 6. Now this question belongs to the solid state, and here in solid state you can see that question from 2 marks for 2 marks. Question number 7. This is amines, aliphatic amines. This is also important, having 2 options. This belongs to the nitrogen containing compounds, 4th chapter of organic chemistry. Now the 2 marks question, 7 question we have done. So you are going to write only the keywords, not explaining so much. Here you will write only but here if you are writing the reaction must be balanced. If you are writing the difference with both the aspect, if the difference aliphatic amine are stronger base than aromatic amine, so you will write 1 line for aliphatic amine and 1 line opposite line for aromatic amine. Now 3 marks question, this question number 9, 2 options are given, either you choose this one or this one. Both the options belongs to the same chapter. This is electrochemistry. Question number 10, that is extraction. In 2020 the extraction of silver has come. That was very important extraction. I have told to the student that silver is very important, and silver is always very important, and first preference will be given to the silver most of the time. The extraction of silver has come. Now question number 11, you see that question number 11, how to convert. This is convergence are given. So 3 subparts, 1 marks for each. This belongs to the chlorobenzene to biphenyl, means haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now first chapter of organic chemistry, 3 marks question number 12, that here explain what is observed when beam of light. This belongs to the colloidal, that is called state of matter. Now question number 13, that is 3 marks, 2 options are given, 3 marks, 3 choices here. How you are going to convert? Here balanced chemical equation is must. Here also if you are writing organic chemistry balanced equation, all the byproduct must be written and the reaction will be balanced, then you are going to get good marks. Those they are getting 67 marks out of 70, they are doing this mistake. They are not writing the byproduct, they are not giving importance to the byproduct, they are not balancing, they are losing their marks. Here also question number 14, this is a question from chemical kinetics. No options are given, 3 marks. It was a very good question of 2020. I appreciate this question. Question number 15, this belongs to the D block and F block. Is it? So all 3 parts from the D block elements and F block elements. So 3 points are given, every point will have 1 mark. So write the answer carefully, use or read the question carefully and write the answer accordingly. Don't write extra thing. Suppose K2CR27 acts as a powerful oxidizing agent in acidic medium. So you will write that in acidic medium it releases nascent oxygen. Is it? You can also write in acidic medium it is in highest oxidation state +6, it goes into +3 oxidation state. Don't write any other answers. Now question number 16, if you will see, the question number 16 have 5 marks. Here 2 options are given, and question number 16 is always from solution. That is very important. 5 marks question, options are given. Here you must write the formula, you must fill the values, you will calculate, you will write the answer, you will write the unit. The 4th thing I told you, correct question, value will be put it correctly. 3rd is answer will be calculated correctly, and the unit you are not going to leave. Unit is must. Now here what are the problem with the students? They are not converting the Celsius in here, they are directly putting the boiling point. Here in the question, in the formula, there is no place of boiling point, that is a elevation in boiling point. It will be 100.975 minus 100, it will be 0.975, it will be the elevation in boiling point. So here elevation will be writing, elevation boiling point will be written in the question answer, but students are writing directly boiling point. Now question number 17, this is from coordination chemistry. Coordination chemistry, you have seen that one question. This is the second question from coordination chemistry of 5 marks. Again, this is very important chapter from which 5 marks question put it in the question paper are always given preference. Now coordination chemistry, 5 marks, you can see here, one word answer is given. Correct answer you will get the 1 mark. Second choice here will be of question number 7, B part. So either you will choose A part or B part in question number 17. Again, here you have to write the isomer, and you have to write the, according to Wallace bond theory, you want to calculate the hybridization. you are going to calculate the magnetic behavior, you are going to predict the shape. Now NiCO whole 4 will be what? sp3 hybridization, it will be tetrahedral, and it will be a what type of magnetic behavior? It will be a diamagnetic. So you will write 3 words only, not so much explanation, you will get full marks for that. Now 18, question number 18 from phenol, means alcohol, phenol and ether. This is the second chapter of organic chemistry. 2 options are given here. Write the difference. The test is given, chemical test. So you will make the column, one line you will write for ethanol, and opposite the thing will be for dimethyl ether. Same thing here also. And if we are choosing this question, so here Williamson synthesis, esterification, remertiment, simple name reactions are given to you, but students are very casual here. They are not writing the byproduct and they are losing marks. Same thing here, you have to identify A and B. So now by that way you can get the full marks if you will focus on the tips given by the channel Spring Chemistry, or I am giving you I am going to help you. Is it? You take the thing seriously and have all the best now.